Welcome to Living Off the Van. We're the Nolders, Henry and Sarah, along with our 3 kids, Nyoka, Kiana and Louie. We've packed up our everyday lives to travel Australia with no known end date. Watch and subscribe to Living Off the Van to follow our adventures and see all the amazing places we go.
It's actually a pretty cheap parking.
Hey, remember how you like
Big tip. Driving around in Canberra is like driving around in
What?
Melbourne or any other capital city, I suppose. It sucked. And parking's just terrible. We'll show you how we parked the van at Questacon. So we're going to take the kids to Questacon today. Check out Old Parliament House. We drove up past the bunker one up on the hill and got some pretty weird looks.
You think like a landmine's going to go off under you or something if you get too close?
And then, I don't know.
We're going to go check out the National Gallery.
Yeah, go check that out. And then that's our little adventure in Canberra done. I don't think we're going to stay here. So we stayed just out of town at, what was that joint called?
I don't
even know the name, but anyway, it's basically on the side of the road, so stayed there. We'll just finish up here for the day and yeah, we'll show you what it's about here, and then I don't know where we'll end up tonight. Probably head towards Yass or Goulburn. Don't know.
On the left, control the colour. At the top of the light sculpture, each group of 3 senses controls red, green, blue LEDs.
What do you do?
Oh, zapped me! Did it zap you?
No.
What did it zap me? Oh, you do it.
I'm not touching it.
Maybe because
What does it feel like?
your ring. I didn't even feel it. Good morning. So last night we stayed at the Charles Anderson rest area. I don't even know whereabouts it is.
It's on the Federal Highway north of Canberra, so on the way to Goulburn. Probably nearly 20 minutes out of Canberra. We didn't want to stay in Canberra because it wasn't really on our radar to go to Canberra, so we quickly did a couple of hours in Canberra and then come out to here for the night. It's turned out to be a really good spot, as you'll see from some of the photos I'll put up of how we parked it. Sarah might flip the camera around now. Like it's a bit hard to sort of park over there. I didn't want to take up too much space, so yeah, decided to park it like this for the night. Anyway, it was a good night's sleep. A little bit of road noise, but that was all right. I'm pretty used to that sort of thing. So yeah. What's that then?
He's looking at it like...
Hey, he's only just realised it.
Behind its foot. Secret cubby. Okay, better go back. Interesting. I'm coming, family. I'm coming, family. That's the butt of the room.
We've just gone to find a playground for the kids to play at. We've found the Goulburn Adventure Park Playground or something it's called.
Yeah, it's called a rage cave.
Oh! It's like a
You can play soccer, tennis,
You can shoot
basketball, netball.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
No, it's a video.
The back for the glass, but we can just play there.
Flying fox.
Ready?
The
Is that fun?
burnt me.
Gonna go on a swing? There's a swing for Louie. Just
swing. I'm gonna do Superman.
Okay, that's enough pushing.
I'm gonna do Superman.
Spider webs.
How's it feel? The first gate of many to come. I just said let's go, and look at this, just making herself a drink.
It's a coffee.
Yeah, it's depth coffee, my ass. I'm over this driving business. I'm gonna make her drive from now on. Hey, you can drive from here.
Got a hard hat.
I need more than a hard hat.
Pump off.
No.
Tats. Done. Oh yeah, we didn't touch them.
Why are we leaving the pump on while we're driving, Dar?
Doing some washing.
Probably not a good idea. You can do it outside of the van. We have the ability to do washing while we're driving, so that's what we've been doing, and it's fantastic. That way all the power that you use in your washing machine's been restored by the time you pull up, which is awesome.
Dada? He's breathing into it.
Louie. This is how we entertain Louie when we're driving. He has a little handheld radio and we talk to each other. He thinks it's great.
Falling through the night, feeling when you've taken flight, worlds below diminishing and clear, whisper in your ear, you can fly like the angels, you can live like a fairy tale.